Hi, I'm back with part 3. Yesterday didn't work out as planned. I was able to do only 1 hour and 15 minutes video recording. Unfortunately, rendering of the video takes like 2 hours and losing 2 hour time. So couldn't finish the takeoff. Hopefully we're gonna finish it today. I'm gonna try to be faster today and less explanations maybe on this video. Let's see where we're at. W8. Okay, we are with the. Let's take a look at this. All right, and this wall is here. Okay, I'm gonna have some W8 walls here as well. Okay, I'm gonna extend this up to the wall, and bottom of this footing is minus 910. So W8. What's the top of wall? And 6F0400. That's actually here. Detail 6. I want to highlight that one. Upper wall is 00. Okay, good. W8. 9 foot 10 is the bottom of footing, so 1 foot footing thickness. 8 foot 10 is the wall height. 8-inch wall. 8 foot 10 inches. And the bottom of the wall is minus 8 foot 10. Color is okay. Oh my god. Upper wall is minus 1 foot, it says here. We can change it. Alright, so let's edit that. It's not going up to the finished floor, so we're gonna come down another foot because of this. So 7 foot 10. And this will be wall height is 7 foot 10, but bottom of footing is bottom of wall will be minus 8 foot 10. We're just changing the height. Alright. And here we got another problem. Actually, I can come here like this. Set this. I'm gonna turn this to this way. But height of this wall is not maybe minus 1. Okay, forget it. It's gonna be 00. Little piece of wall. You know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. Time is essence right now. Oops, forgot the microphone again. Okay. So reinforcing what we had here. Double and vertical still together. Yeah, keep it the same way. Okay, now I'm gonna do this little piece. And this wall is one face wall. One face wall meaning is it is against the existing structure, existing wall. So it is different framing involved. On these walls, you frame both faces and it stands up. But here, you have to frame only one face and you have to braze it. And fortunately, it's not too high. It's not gonna be a lot of work. Okay, let's do this minus 1'7". So 910. All right, W8. 910. 810 is the top of footing. 810 minus 1'7". 7'3". 7'3". 8-inch walls. Wall height is 7'3", and bottom of the wall is minus 8'10". This right here. This little piece. You're stepping it down. So that's the footing. That's the wall right here. Now copy the reinforcing. Okay, we didn't pay attention to corner bars. I should get 2 corners. Actually, 1, 2, 3. We already got the corner on this one, so I can add here. Copy. And just 1 corner bar. W8, W23. Okay, now we're gonna do this 7'3". It's gonna be 7'3" up to here again. Then it's gonna go up to 0 elevation because I see there's a step here. Okay, wall W8, 7'3". Only difference is this wall is one face, and I'll make another group, one face walls. When any item, any concrete element price is different, you have to create different group for that price because we have to price it separately. If you combine it together with the two phase walls, so you have the yardage lumped up one phase and two phase, you're not gonna able to price them separately. So each separate price elements, separate groups. Okay, 8-inch, 7'3", minus 8 foot and 10 inches. Greenish color from this step to back. Reinforcing, we're gonna keep the same, but no corner bars. We already got corner bar for this wall. So we can remove corner bars from here. What else you got? We have drill and epoxy dowels. Number 5, 12-inch on center. 6-inch embedment. Okay. It gives you vertically 12-inch on center. How about horizontally? 10-inch foundation wall with number 4, 12-inch horizontal, 18-inch vertical. I assume this is gonna be each way. It's gonna go vertically 12-inch on center and horizontally and drill it into the existing wall. So let's do that. So our direction of the rebar is this, and the length is X, 7 bars. Okay. And height is 7'3". It's number 5. Let's call this 2'6". 6-inch in bed. Actually, 8-inch wall is too long. 8 plus 6, 14. I'll say 16-inch this bar. This is only gives us one bar and 7 of them horizontally next to each other. And now I'm gonna multiply by height. How many we need for height? 7'3", 8 bars. I'll call this drill and epoxy dowels. Okay, we're done with that one. Now we're gonna add this little tiny wall. What, this W23 goes up to here? So from here back, too many little wall pieces, you know. Again, one face W8. This time it's gonna be, does it give you top of wall again? 4.5 there. Doesn't give you top of wall elevation now. But we got it here. Alright, we'll come back to that. Those W8s. Minus 8'10". Nice. This is the height. 8'10" high. 8-inch. 8'10", and the bottom is minus 8'10". Just from here to where? Here. Should I turn it like that? Yeah, it is like turning around the existing pier. Let's do that. And this will be W23 wall. How about here and there? And another W8 here. It's gonna be same thing, 8'10" high. What's this one? That's W8 too. And our step starts from where? Too many lines, I can't see it anymore. Step it here and there. Got lost already. Let's refresh this. Okay, we build these walls. Yep. And I step it almost at the center of the column. Yeah, so this is the first step. Okay. In the right place, yep. It says W8, but it looks thicker. And W43. What's the thickness of the W43? 3'7" wall. 3'7". You know what? I'm just gonna bring up the. And I'm gonna continue W23 here. Okay. These are one face walls as well. Another phone call. Back again. Alright. where we left off. Let me copy this, reinforcing, and paste to this one. We have corner bars as well. Let's copy one corner bar from here. This don't have it. Come on. This had it. Let's see this one. Oh, that's the corner bar each face. Here you go. How many corners do you have? One here, 2, 3, I will say. Okay, 8 foot 10. We got something wrong here. Short way. I don't see horizontals and verticals. We got. See, when you rush things, you got the corner bars. I think I got the footing reinforcing. Yeah, yes, I gotta copy this too as well. Okay, horizontals, verticals, and dowels, and corner bars. We already made 3. These adjusts itself. No, this one doesn't. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, since this wall is high, 8 foot 10, I'm gonna separate verticals and dowels. I'm gonna make this 18-inch on center, vertical each face, and this is gonna be 8 foot 10 now. Okay, X number 4, 18-inch on center, and I add dowels 2 feet and 2 foot lap splice plus the 1 foot footing thickness, and each face times 2, just dowels. Now a lot better, and drill and epoxy dowels will change. 17 is the length, height is 8 foot 10, so multiplier will be 9. Save. Okay, we got that. Now W23 here, W43 here, and we're stepping up here. Again, we got W8. We're stepping up to this line. This is 2 foot step, as you can see. All right, and then let's look at this section 2. Section 2 FO 400. We looked at section 6 before. This top of wall was equal to top of slab. Alright, I see one more thing here. I'm missing the CMU dowels, number 532 inch on center. Let's add that. Direction ZX, 32 inch on center, number 4. And the lap supplies is 2, 2 up, 2 down, so it's gonna be 4 feet. Let's call it CMU dowels. And so far so good, I believe. Now section 2, top of wall is higher, and it says top of wall is plus 1 foot 6. This was section 2 as well, and this had the dowel. Let's set the same dowel to this for the CMU. We could have just copied. Sorry. Well, it's so easy, I can edit. Okay, now we good. And this wall was, see, it's highlighted at the left side actually. Yep, that's the wall, 7'6". And it says plus 1'6", W15. If it's 7, bottom of is 6. Yeah, 6 plus 1 foot, top of wall, top of footing is -6, and plus 1'6" on top is 7'6". For a second, I said I made a mistake or something. Okay, now we're gonna do W8, 7'6". Okay, W8, 7'6". Oops. And this is gonna be two-face wall. And the bottom of wall is -6 feet because it's -7 right here. Tiny pieces of walls. I think step footing is ready. And W15 and W8 had the same reinforcing. So I'm just gonna copy this. This horizontal CM with those corner bars, verticals. And for 7'6", okay, let's keep it double and vertical together. And we just need to adjust the corner bars to 2. We're done. Let's take a look at this guy. Yeah. Now we gotta close this gap. We come at 1'6", again 7'6", and we got another foot here, 8'6". W8, 8'6", two-phase walls, 8'6" high, and now it's gonna be -7, bottom of the wall. No corner bars. I don't need corner bar. Done. Yes, we close here. We had more W8s here. Let's go back there. Let's finish up with the W8s. Okay, top of wall, it says -1 foot here. And it is the same wall as this. No, it's not. This is -9, 10, the bottom of footing. Okay. Here, wall will be, bottom of footing is -6, top of footing 5, and another foot coming down, so 4 foot actually this wall. W8, 4 feet. 8-inch, 4 feet. -5 feet. And footing, Where are the footing steps? I believe here. I don't know what these lines are. Doesn't tell me. Over here. And I don't have time to look at the architectures now. Okay, this one is 1'7", minus 1'7". And you think this one is the same? That's the 1 foot difference. And we have a 2 foot step here. Oops. Now we passed the step location already. Yeah, okay, I see where the step is. This is right here. Hopefully this is right here. A lot better. Okay. Now reinforcing we can get from this. Yes, from the wall, not from the footing. Okay, corners we're gonna change. We got 1, 2 corners. Okay, 7" less. This is already 4 feet. So it's 3'5". This wall is 3'5". Okay. Wall 8, 3'5". 8". 3'5". Minus 5 feet is the bottom of the wall. And this guy is from here to there. Also from here to here. Corners are 2, that's good. W30. Now I'm gonna increase 2 foot here. So W8 is a 3'5", so this is gonna be 5'5". 8". 5 feet 5 inches. And this is at the -7, so -6. And that's from here to here. And here to here. Copy the reinforcing. Still we're gonna have 2 corners. 1 here, 1 there. Okay, let's check this guy. What we did. It came. Okay, step is a little back there, and we have higher wall. So let's bring this forward. Step is here. How about the other side? Almost there. Other side we have correct. This wall is 3'5", and footing is, we have 2 foot step there. 3 foot 5. The bottom of wall is -5. Now, okay, -7. That's what is the problem. You're going 2 foot down, and I'm not sure still. Confused here a little bit. What I'm doing wrong here? I'm questioning this wall is 3 foot 5, and we're stepping down 2 feet, I believe. This is -7, bottom of footing, so -6 is the top of footing. -6 bottom of footing, 1 foot difference, not 2 feet. Okay, I thought it's a 2 foot step, that's what it is. So wall will be 4 foot 5. Yes, a lot better now. They aligned. Okay. Small things. Do we put reinforcing on this, boys? Yes. Now let's get back to here. This RW, and we have W8 here with no reason. And RW these walls, W30, W23, W43, W16, and W8 here. Let's do this one. W8 4 F4 400. 4 400. So top of wall is 6 feet. I mean -6. We go coming down 1 foot, so 5 foot wall. W8 5 feet. Do we have W8 5 feet? Really? Okay, W8 5 feet. Not 8. W8 5 feet. 8-inch 5 feet. And bottom of wall is -6 feet. We take them from here back. 1 corner, 2 corner, and but this W15. And another here. Make this nice. Okay. Corners are 2. What are we doing now? We're doing this one now, right here. Okay, now we had the W15 here. A little piece here. 6 feet, 6 feet. So W15 2, 7 foot 6, 4, 7 400 is okay. This one is 5 feet. I can use this one for this little piece. Finish with the escape so 3D comes nice. Now we left with W16 right here. And we're gonna do others. Okay, W16. W16 and 7 F4 100. was 4. 4 was 1 foot down. Section 4 was 1 foot down, but section 7 from the top of slab to top of footing. So this will be 6 feet. This wall will be 6 foot. 6 feet. Okay. W16 is 16 inches, I believe. 8 plus 8, 16 inch. Same reinforcing. 16 inch is at 6 feet. And bottom of the wall will be -6. And we can basically get the reinforcer from this. Two corners. So we close this right here. That is done. Let's do this bad boy, RW. RW, where is it? 8 plus 4, 12-inch fall and different reinforcing. Let's do the didn't do this W8 here. And this is -9, 8 feet. What's the section for this? 1 FO 400, 8 inch down. So 9 top of footing is 8 feet, and -8 inch, 7 foot 4. W8, 7 foot 4. Too many greens, can't find anymore. 74 -8 feet. Okay, and the reinforcing, let's copy from here. Two corners, right? It has 2 corners already. Okay, now we're doing the RW. RW. What we said is going to be 7 foot 4. 7 foot 4. 12 inch. 7 foot 4. Height. And bottom of the wall is -8 feet. And that will be, I believe, from here back. This is on a curve, so we're going to use arc. Up to somewhere here. Get this wall. This is arc as well. Okay. Let's look at it. That's our wall. Okay, let's add the reinforcing. We start with the horizontal bars, number 5, 12 inch on center, horizontal on the, gotta be, range has to be top of each other. Direction is X, which is the length of the wall. Number 5s in each face. Surprisingly, it doesn't say here each face, but from the section we know it is. So we say horizontal each face. Now we continue with the corner bars because they connection with the horizontals. We consider top bars. I forgot on the other one. See, U lap splice is 3 foot 3. Corner bars each face, but how many corners? Let's look. 1, 2. This is considered corner. So we got 4, but each face 8. I just want to fix something here. I forgot. We gotta make top condition on the location for the bar is top, since horizontal bars has more than 12-inch concrete below. Now we're doing the verticals. Verticals, we lost the detail. Number 6, 12-inch on center. I'm gonna do separate verticals, vertical and double separately. So these are vertical each face. Save and new. Again, same thing. Number 6. This is double this time, and lap splice is 3. Footing thickness is 1 foot, 4 feet. Times 2 each face. That was each face. So basically we're done, but we got another phone call. Hold on a sec. Back again. Alright, let's see here. We're done, and we're gonna step down at this. No, stepping up, sorry. Stepping up. Do we see the elevation at the right side? Yeah, elevation. This was 9. This is 8, 7, 6, and 10 inches right here. 5. All 1 foot steps. Okay, so this wall was 7 foot 4. This is gonna be 6 foot 4. RW 6 foot 4. 6 foot 4. And bottom will be here -8, so it's gonna be -7 feet. Let's draw and take a look. There you go. So next one, let's keep the reinforcing. Show rebar. We don't need corner bars. We're gonna need the others. Next step, RW 5 foot 4. This was 6 foot 4. Now it's 5 foot 4. Is the wall height is the 5 foot 4, and the bottom of footing it was here minus. Okay, bottom of wall it was -8 here, -7, -6 here. At the rebar. And the next step up, RW 4 for 4, greenish color, and -5 here. This is stepped again. Let's take a look here. What's going on here? No, this is, we can take all the way down. This is the concrete underneath the step. Actually, let's do it like this. Okay, we're kicking. Now we're closing with this. So this 4'4", this is gonna be 3'4". RW 3'4". And minus 4 feet. I'll finish here. I'm gonna take it up to you. That's it. We finished the left side at the rebar. Hold on a second. We need corner bars on this time. How many corners? 1, 2, 3. Each face 6. Okay. Now we are up to here. We got RW 7 minus 8 inches was 6'4". We already have it. We just continue here. And here 6 and 5'4". We have that too. And rebar already in there too. We just continue in the same element. This all has the rebar. And here's 6 feet, so 4'4", and there will be this little piece. I believe we're done with the RW one. Okay, coming out nice. Now W30. W30 right here. 2'6" wall. And 3 layers. Okay. Do I have a section for this? No. This W23, I want to see, does have 3 layers? Yes. W23 has a section. Let's copy what they say. W23, section 5. See, this is how we're going to do. Verticals, horizontals, all of them 3 layers. No problem. Now, W30. Then minus 6. We done. Since we don't have a section, I'm going to take it to the top of the slab. And there will be 5' wall. W30, 5 feet, 30-inch wide, 5 feet high, and minus 5 feet is the bottom of the wall. And that's about it. You can adjust everything else. Let's add the rebar. We have W19 right there. W30, number 5, 10-inch on center for the horizontals. Change this to 10-inch and the top condition, top location. These are horizontal. Another phone call, I'm not taking this time. And 3 layers times 3. 7 new, no corner bars, so let's work on the verticals. Verticals are, where's W30, middle one? Number 4, 12-inch on center. Number 4, 12-inch on center. Down to hook, and the height is 5 feet, and the footing 6 feet times 3. Verticals 3 layers. Actually, double and vertical 3 layer. And the top, we have the X CMU those, number 532-inch on center, 5 feet. Done. Now let's take a look. W19, 12, 14 inches. Why they call it 19 if it's 14 inches? Should I go with the 19 inch? Look like 14 inch though. Okay, let's do 14 inch. W19, and height will be the same height with these guys, or this is coming up. I'm gonna take the same as this, the 7'4", 14, 7'4", and minus 8 feet. Hmm. 14 short. I'm gonna make it 19 inches. Yes, a lot better. Let's look at the reinforcing. Number 5 horizontals. No corner bars. Horizontals number 5 at 12-inch on center. Each face. Verticals, X direction. Verticals are wide. Number 4, 16-inch on center. Times 2 each face. And dowels. Three feet. Dowels each face. So we got that one too. Now what's left? This one face walls left on W23, and the wall height is 910, section 5. I forgot about the section 5 already. They're coming from 0. 8 foot 10 height. W23, 8 foot 10, 23 inches, 8 foot 10, and bottom of wall is elevation 8 minus 8 foot 10. Let's see, it's coming like that. Up the elevator pit. Okay. What's the reinforcing W23? Doesn't close, maybe. Okay, we can copy W30's reinforcing and make some adjustments. No corner bars. Okay, what's the adjustments? W23 here, horizontal is number 5, 12-inch on center. horizontals. Instead of 10, we have 12. And verticals are number 4, 18 each on center. Yeah, 18. And that's about it. Now let's do W43. W43 is the but one thing we forgot about it is this is one face wall. We forgot drill and epoxy those. One face and put it into one face walls group. And let's copy some drill and epoxy bars from here. And that will be 19 times 9. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and I can copy this for the W43 wall. W43, 8 foot 10 again. 43 inch, 8 foot 10 high, and the bottom of the wall is minus 8 foot 10. And this will go from, yeah, keep it like that. Past here. And let's see what's the difference here. Horizontals are number 5, 6 inch on center. Change to 6. And the verticals are number 4, 12 inch on center. Let's see what we had here. Change to 12. Okay. I think we're done with the walls. Let's take a look at here. Alright, see, what I'm missing is elevator walls right here. I think it's an elevator. Okay, so right here, W8s. And these walls are two-phase walls. Bottom of this, top of this footing is actually mat slab is 8 foot 10. And then do we have a section? Yes, one F0401. One F0401 walls goes up to the slab, so I need W8 8 foot 10, which W8 8 foot 10 we don't have it. Okay, no problem, we'll do it. W8. Already 1 hour 58 minutes into the takeoff. This project had a lot of different heights, different type of walls. I mean, I wouldn't pick this project at all, but it's a chance, right? Anyway, we started, we gotta finish it, and this guy's waiting for price. Take this is the height of the wall, 8 foot 10, and minus 8 foot 10. Alright, so it's gonna be from here back. So everything is nicely colored. You can see what's going on. That's the beauty of Haqq Takeoff. Copy. Paste. Okay. Corner bars are, how many corners? 4 corners. So it's gonna be 8 each face. Okay. Now what's on the next is the piers. We have a lot of different height piers. Hopefully, oh, we We got lucky on one thing. We have only one pier type. Beautiful. But we're gonna have tons of height differentiation. Square pier. It's a red color. And we create a group for piers. 18-inch. And the height. Height is what? Let's start from here. It's 8 feet. Bottom of footing is -9. Top of footing is. I'm gonna take all the piers to the top of slab because piers has a lot more framing involved and a little bit extra concrete. We'll need that. It's just 8-inch or 1 foot on top of the piers. Not even a cubic feet is nothing. So I'm gonna put that there. We will need that little bit extra. 8 feet and -8. Okay. We got it here, here as well. I'm gonna take the same height. It is very close, has to be same height. And this one as well. Okay, this is at the middle, between 7 and 8. I think that's about it for 8-foot piers. Okay, let's see the reinforcing for this baby. We have 4 number 6 vertical. We had the vertical bar first, like that. 4 number 6. Okay, it comes 8 feet. Vertical. I use capital for this. Then verticals again for number 6 for the dowels. And 3 foot is the lap splice, so 4 foot with the footing thickness. Dowels. Now ties. Ties are what? Number 4, 14-inch on center. I'm gonna keep them at 12-inch on center. So here what I do is range is Z. So ties will be going on the vertical range. Number 4, select T. I'm just gonna click here. X, Y dimensions are the width and the other Y direction and the height of the pier. So if I keep pressing A to get the automatic value, it gives me everything I needed. This is ties. I'll keep it spacing at 12-inch because sometimes you need extra ties at the top and they will cover that couple. Not a big difference in 12 and 14. Trust me. Save. And I can copy this for the all heights, all different heights of the piers. It will work automatically. Okay, let's do the other piers. Now we got here 7-foot pier. Oops, count element. P1 7 feet. 18-inch 7 feet -7 foot. This one. So tiny. Show this rebar. See, verticals come 7 feet. And here P1 6 feet. P1 6 feet. 18 inches 6 feet -6 feet. here as well, and here as well. P1 6 feet. We can continue over here. There's a little bit extra concrete there. I'm not worrying about it. P1 6 feet. P1 6 feet. This can very close. Could be 6 feet. We're still at the top of footing at 6, so we can do it. This one is close. I'm gonna make it 6 feet. 6 feet. This one it says 1 foot 10, but these two footings are very close to this guy. This is close to this one. I'm gonna make it 6 feet and change the bottom of footing to -7 feet. And I'm gonna change this. This excavation can't be done with this footing. You gotta lower this. Too close to deeper excavation. Imagine this is at -1 foot 10 and this is -9 foot 10. 8 foot difference from here to there. This need to be sloped. When you slope this is gonna stay at the middle of the slope. So it is better to excavate bigger and bring this down. Maybe step it up to the -7 feet here for just couple foot. We can keep this at the -7 and -910 for this guy. So we're gonna have this at -910. We got this 6 foot piers. See, I'm missing this little piece of walls here. What's going on here? This wall was same as this one, I believe, 4 foot 5. Why am I missing this? Let's check. Did an update. Let's refresh the page. Now we have 2 foot here. 2 foot step here. We gotta delete and create another one here. So this wall is 4 feet. This is gonna be 6 feet. W8, 6 feet. Back to the walls. 8" by 6 feet. And bottom of footing is -6 feet. This, it has to do it. Back this up a little bit. Make this straight. Where is this? I can't see this wall. There you go. Too high. 6 feet. Footing elevation is correct. This wall was 4 feet high, wasn't it? 4 feet high. To -5. And this is top of footing is here is -6. See 5 feet. You gotta come down foot. Okay, reinforcing. And corners on the two. Okay, before I go, it's already 1 hour and 10 minutes on this video. I have to add reinforcing to this P6, P1 6 feet. So this way I don't forget it. Alright, we're gonna continue with piers. Or should we finish the piers? Let's finish the piers. Okay, here, almost done. So 8 foot 10 piers. Let's look at this. Anything absorb. Yes, you see the piers here? This is also a problem right here. And that's the projects like this. Okay. Is it? This one, yes. We need to change this to footing elevation to -7. We did already. Edit. -6. No, this one. Edit. -7. Alright, now makes more sense. And this is already low. Okay, P1, P1, 8 foot 10, 18 inches, 8 foot 10 inches, and -8 foot 10. We have it here. I'm gonna put it here because we lower to this elevation. Here, there, and that's about it. And let's add the rebar to this, guys. Good. Now this is 1 foot 10, 10 inches, 10 inches piers. It's a hunch. We don't need piers here. Or we can lower these guys to 3 feet. -3. Let's put. Okay, this is crazy. We don't need PM. Bottom of footing is -1 foot 10. Top of footing is 10. Slab is 5 inches or so. So 5-inch hunch. And they can put the ankle bolts right on top of the footings. So we don't have piers. We don't need this. Okay, what's left? Here, -6 feet. So it's gotta be 5 foot piers. We don't have 5 feet yet. We didn't put the height of this pier. What was this one? 8 feet. Okay, let's create P1 5 feet, right? We gotta change this to, okay, 5 feet. That's 18 inches, 5 feet, and bottom of the pier is -5. And as for these guys, at the reinforcing, we're done. And let's take this piers out of from the walls, put in a group of piers. Okay, we are not putting any pier here because just 10 inches. Okay, that's about it. We done with this video. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna start rendering, so I'm gonna continue to recording with the next one. Saving is gonna take a little bit time, so I'll be back shortly. All right, bye.